Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can change Roblox profile picture on your Roblox account. So this will work for mobile and PC for both. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your roblox.com website. Then you have to sign in your account. So after doing so, if you are on mobile phone, you have to click on this three dot bar icon and you have to click on desktop site here just like this so that you can access the website while like desktop. So if you are on PC, then you don't have to do that. You have to click on your profile like here. After that, what you have to do, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top left corner. Then you have to click on avatar. So after clicking on this, you will see a bunch of options here. You can change anything here. You can see my avatar has already wearing a sunglass. I'm going to remove it just like this. You can choose your style from here, and if you want to buy any avatar thing, buy anything from here, you can click on get more and you will find a bunch of options here and you can buy anything from here. So after changing all of your things, you just have to go back to on Roblox mode home and you have to click on your avatar again. Now you can see my sunglass has been removed and your avatar will be automatically updated. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. This is how you can change your profile picture on your Roblox app. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.